Our yoga monastery exists due to combined efforts. From one side, it is the monks who are taking training here. They manage everything, they do renovations, they do everything. Another contribution is acharyas, the monks who have graduated from this place. They support spiritually, financially, morally, and there is a great contribution comes from our community. Those people who come and visit our yoga monastery, they become part of our family. We treat them as a family, and they treat us also as family. You know, it is the greatest dharma, greatest calling, greatest choice in life to dedicate your life entirely to the service of humanity. And to produce even one such person whose life is totally 100% dedicated to the benefit of humanity, to the advancement of our civilization, is a great service to the world. There are so many monks who have graduated from our training center, from our yoga monastery, and they run projects. I have a friend, he runs schools in Africa. Another friend, she runs children home in Romania. Different service projects, cooperative schools, children homes. The projects which are there to enlighten the people, to spread the ideas of morality, to spread the ideas of meditation, of proper lifestyle. Like myself also, I am graduate of the yoga monastery, and I started a platform to learn meditation, to learn yoga, and I have some small channel, 700,000 subscribers, in many languages also, in English, in Russian, in Spanish, in French, many people. You know, when they write in the comments, you get touched. They say, Dada, you have saved my life. At the moment when I was very at the brink, these ideas, they have completely restarted my personality. So in this way, I believe that those people who have been properly prepared, they can affect, they can influence in a positive way, they can influence the society around them and then eventually on the global level. So this institution is for that, to give a proper preparation to those noble souls who completely want to dedicate their life to service. And you become part of that process. It is not only, it is not a credit of any one of us. It is the credit of the entire community that produces such people. So this is, I feel it is the most noble, like I think many people today, they feel, especially the people who live in Europe, they feel they have been really privileged, really privileged, because there is a high living standard here. If you compare, it's around 3 billion today, 3 billion people today in the world, they live on the $6 per day. That's the situation. And here in Europe, every one of us is very privileged, very privileged. So many people in Europe, they do charitable activities. They do, I know. They help different organizations, they help different causes. So this is one of the best causes, because if you feed somebody, okay, you know, you eat and then that's it. Digest after 2 hours is gone. But if you invest into the creation of the person, of the noble personality, who is going to serve for his entire life selflessly, with lots of energy, with lots of enthusiasm, who is going to serve the entire world, what can be better than this? So I want to extend my gratitude for those generous people who enable our activity in this yoga monastery, who create hope for humanity. Like I was telling you, many people, they come for retreat and they come to me and they say, Dada, really thank you. This, what you have taught, totally transformed my life. Thousands and tens of thousands of people like this. And why? Because this yoga monastery has given me that energy and inspiration and feelings. So, please be part of our family and participate in this process of creation of the new world. Dear friends, because of your donations and contributions and support, our project can grow. I am able to record the useful videos about spirituality, meditation, inspiration, etc. Those who want to support us, you can find the link in the description of this video. And I thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you very much.